Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin and I'm so excited to have the chance to talk to you today. I'm a scientist who studies what makes us sick and how to keep our bodies healthy. This kind of study or research is called biomedical research, although there are lots of kinds of research out there. As you probably already know, one of the things that can make our bodies sick are germs. And so it's really important, especially right now, that we're always paying attention and washing our hands when we need to help protect us from germs. What you may not know is that our bodies have a really special protection system or defense system called the immune system. If someone tried to hurt your friend, you'd protect them, right? You'd keep them safe. That's what the immune system does for our bodies. It helps to keep us safe from germs. The immune system is made up of a whole army of protectors, and each of these protectors has special jobs. Some protect our skin, some protect our brains, some protect our tummies, and some even work like the conductors of an orchestra to help all the other protectors do their jobs and keep track of them to make sure that they're keeping us safe from germs. I know that you've all had a cold at some point, right? So have I. And the reason that we don't still have colds is because our immune systems protected our bodies from the germs that made us sick when we had those colds. Like I said, the immune system is made up of an army of different defenders, and each of these defenders or protectors uses special tools to do their job. Scientists who study both the protectors and the tools that they use, like me, are called immunologists. And we study ways that we can help the defenders do their jobs to the best of their ability so that they keep our bodies safe. Now, you may think that a scientist always looks like this, and sometimes we do, but we can also look like this. We can look like this, 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 this. Sometimes we look like this, this, and even we can look like this. Oh, whoops, that's a picture of me when I was your age. Well, anyway, I hope those pictures showed you that there are many, many different ways of doing research, both inside, say at a microscope, and outside working with plants and animals. And in fact, one of my favorite things about being a scientist is that I've gotten to meet and make friends with people who do things that are similar to what I do and also completely different. I have friends that study computers. I have friends that study the heart and the brain. I have friends that study how animals came to be, how they behave, why they live the way they do, and I even have friends that study dinosaur bones. What's cool about the fact that we all do different things is that we tend to look at the world differently. And this is almost as if we each have a puzzle piece that when we come together and talk about what we learn, it helps us understand the world. Another thing that we have in common is that we all really like a chance to get to talk about science with other scientists, with friends, with family, but also with future scientists like you. So make sure that you are never afraid to ask questions and that you stay curious about the world. Asking questions is how you learn, but it's also possible that the question you're asking is one that no one has ever thought to ask before. So stay curious. It's been great to talk to you, and thanks for the chance. Bye.